5 important things to know before your rhinoplasty. It is not a painful operation. It is uncomfortable because they complain of a stuffy nose, but that's really the extent of the discomfort after surgery. It's a journey. When the day the cast comes off, it is the beginning of your healing process. It is a very good preview of what your nose is going to look like in terms of the rotation, how lifted it is. However, you still have a long way of healing to go. Not everybody gets the same results. Some want more subtle, some want more dramatic, some want more of a lift, some want less. And it's really all about what your nose is capable of doing. Not all recovery is the same. Some patients have thin skin, some patients have thick skin, some patients have really thick skin. And that really all affects the healing process. And it's really important to have an honest conversation with your doctor about where you fall in that category so you really can have an idea of what your recovery can look like. It's not always perfect. The goal is to give you a nose that is balanced with your face and has an overall appearance of symmetry and looks really pretty and looks really natural and not overdone. But it may be that sometimes in a certain light, in a certain angle, in a certain photo, you may notice a very, very slight asymmetry. And that doesn't mean that you have a bad result. That doesn't mean that your nose is not harmonious with your face. It's really important to go into it to have really realistic expectations of outcomes.